Huh? Houston, we have a problem. No, I have a problem. Why can't you do? Look, a person had sent it for repair this quadcopter. There's a DJI Phantom 4. Okay, okay. Wonderful quadcopter. It's right. But look what's happening with this quadcopter. Ah, terrible. It seems bad. And look, bad. Now look the gimbal. Look at the gimbal. But it has no condition to fly. No, it has condition to fly. Look, look the gimbal function. Okay, okay. It doesn't stop. There's no way. The left stick. It doesn't go. There's nothing to do. Look at the gimbal. Look. The gimbal function. Look. And the control is too bad. Well, I need to repair. I need to find a solution for this. Now, I go to the app and look for any solution. I need to know the damage, if it's a square part that I need to change, replacing, or I have a condition for make this quadcopter function again between the system. Okay, let's go to the app. And I would like to do this job in a live, but I have to use the app all the time here in this quadcopter app. Perhaps I need to open the app in the cell phone, and I would like to look for a solution for make this quadcopter function again with security perfectly. Let's go. I need to look for a solution for this controller. And I need to look for a solution for the gimbal because it is moving when I make some movement at the stick that is conditioned for fly, because when I turn down and I move down the gimbal is moving down. But when I move this stick to the left or the right, the gimbal is moving together. It's bad. I would like to find a solution now. Let's go to the app. Perfect. First, I need to. I have an update here. I would like to do later. And I need to calibrate compass first. The first step. Let's go. Calibrating the compass. Well done. The gimbal is too bad. I need to calibrate the gimbal too. And the control is bad. and the calibration is is going. It's going. I think I have a good condition for finish the calibration of the gimbal. Something is bad in the connection, and I have a half calibration. Now it's going. I think that I will be finished with success. It stopped. Well, it stopped. The 30 motor engine is bad, and I need to make the 30 engine good again. It's stopping a lot of times, and I need to await. It will be finished for start. The calibration is bad, very bad. No, let me see a thing. 30 motor damaged. It doesn't move. No. First motor, perfect. Anything is bad in the connection. Let me see. Okay. Let me see if I a good condition for restart the gimbal. Let me see now the battery. Battery is good. Okay, battery is good. Now the controller. I need to power off the quadcopter. I would like to left the stick in mode 2, and now I need to do the calibration. Perfect. No? Nothing. Okay, it started. Perfect. Oh, okay, people. The first step is done. Now I need to charge the controller because it's terrible. I need to look for an USB cable for doing this step. And I think that I I've no here now. Well, I need to find the USB cable. One minute, and I come back again. Well, guys, now I'm walking. I've a new flat cable, an USB cable for charge the control and to do the connection to the quadcopter to a computer for finish my job. I need to calibrate the quadcopter and update the system. Okay, this is my neighbor, the city where I live here in Brazil. Well, let's go. I'm now coming back to my house to finish the job with the Phantom 4. Well, I'm back to my home. Home sweet home, but no. Here my city is too hot. I'm burning. Okay, now I need to see if this USB cable function. The control is bad. Hmm, this is bad. A bad thing. Okay, it's starting. I need to leave this controller resting on the charge and look for a solution now for this gimbal. Gimbal is bad. Bad. Look, it's here. When your gimbal has some difficult for move any engine, you have no condition for perfect calibration. Here, the first free, second free, but look, anything here is bad, and I need to find a solution. No, has anything bad here? Okay, let's go. I will open the quadcopter. I will try to open the quadcopter. A lot of persons left the metallic parts of the quadcopter so strongest. They are closing with a lot of force and they are damaging everything. Damaging everything. Okay, I would like, and I'm going to open the gimbal for doing the repair. I spend a lot of time here now. Terrible, terrible. Look what happens here when I move. It's touching. Look. Perfect. I need to do this part perfect again for move. Look. Let's go. Well, for leave the piece perfect with this move, look, it's so easy, but you need to look for anything bad. Look here. You need to look for anything bad in all the way throughout the engine needs to walk, needs to turn around for function with perfection. Look now. It's free. It has good condition now for doing every move in all the three engines. Okay, I'm charging the controller and I will make a good wash in all the pieces of the quadcopter and finish this job. This quadcopter has a battery. It has three batteries, and two batteries are good, but one is bad. I will show it to you. Look here. We have the first one, second one, and the third one. The first, perfect. The second, nothing. The third one, perfect. There's nothing here. No function. Nothing. I would like to find a solution for the battery. I will try. But if it's that, there's nothing to do here. Okay, let's go. Well, guys, controller is dead. Well, look. That's. I need to look for a solution for this controller. There's no chance for function. I will open and find a solution. This is my next step. My next step. The owner talked that the controller was for a long time without use, and I think that the battery has no function yet, and I need to replace. Let's go. Arrived here a new quadcopter for repair, and I will repair it later. Now I need to discover a solution for the controller. Okay, this is my controller. I think that the battery is dead, and I need to see it careful. It's hard to open. Okay, it's so difficult to open, and I will see it here. I need to look the charge. It has charge. Well, anything bad here? The battery has charge. Well, let's go. A bad thing to solve at the final lap. Quadcopter perfectly fly. And the controller, too bad. And I need to discover a form to make this controller good again. On the next step I need to follow is lifting the flat cable perfect. Difficult. Ah, this flat cable is terrible. I need to open this part and left the flat cable. Oh no, no, I don't need. Okay, I can charge it here and then I will replace this part. Well, I will let here some moments and look if the battery is charging. I need to wait on the wait now. Let's go. Awaiting the second light shine. I'm awaiting, only waiting. But I will stop this video and I will come back here some moments in some moments. Well, sometimes I don't have a perfect way for a follow and find a good solution. But I will try. If I find a form to reborn this controller, I will fly some minutes. But if I don't have a way for charge again this battery, the owner needs to replace the controller. I need to wait again. Okay, people, let's go again. And I need to discover if the quadcopter will fly or not. We have a bad GPS signal. Uh, it's okay. Well done. I need to replace the quadcopter for a better place for find GPS signal. I will start a small fly here. It's the first. It's the first fly. I I need to be careful because the quadcopter is on repair. It's not too good for fly, but I need to see. Okay, the first command is good. Let's go. Let's go. Take off. This is the first fly. Okay. Perfect. Oh, I'm tired. So tired. But the quadcopter is good. Hmm? The quadcopter is good. And I need to look. I need to do all the flights tests and look for anything bad. But I think that now this quadcopter is good. Look, I'm so strongful. I'm terrible. Terrible. Okay, my friends, this is my first job for today. If any person around the world needs any help with quadcopter, I will be here for help. And I miss you an excellent day, an excellent weekend. Persons from United States, United Kingdom, and the African people, and people who speak English around the world in a lot of places. We'll be here for help. See if any person would like of my help. My miracles here are a lot. I'm really powerful and I'm skilled to do my job with drones repair. I help my friends. I help to all you. And think about the peace in this world. We are living and we are showing, we are crossing and seeing all days the war. This world is a small world. We need peace. We need peace. With weapons, we don't arrive in any place. All destruction of humanity and nature. You are destroying your heart with the war. Good things, good thoughts make this world better for live and make humanity live days together, growing and getting the intelligence every day. A man who plants a tree is making a good thing, but a man who uses a weapon is destroying your history and all your people too. I hope, friends.